Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today we are going to talk about the way to solving system equation using inverse with 2 by 2 first. So we go to the first question. So first question is plus 2y equal to 7 and 2x plus y equal to 8. So firstly we should to convert this system equation to augmented that use the formula. The formula is equal to A inverse B. Now we should to find A inverse. A inverse for 2 by 2 is just use our question. So now we get 1 over negative 3 equal to 1 negative. So the answer is, so when we get A inverse, so we just put in our formula. So A inverse is negative 1 over 3 over 3 over 3 negative 1 over 3 multiple with B. B is equals. So this place is 7, 8. So to get the answer is, so we get the answer is, so this the final answer for x is x equal to 3 and y equal to 2.
And now let's see the next example, which is 3x plus 5y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to negative 2. So we can write this equation as a x equals to b, which is a is and x is and our b will be based on these equations given. We need to transform it into the matrix form. So the equations will become 3, 5, 2, negative 4 x y equals to 11, negative 2. Then the formula for the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix is A inverse equals to 1 over determinant A multiplied with D, negative B, negative C, and A. Then we need to find the determinant A, which is the formula is determinant A equals to AD minus BC. Write it in the formula 3, negative 4 minus 5 multiplied with 2. So our determinant is negative 22. So the formula will be, then we simplify it and it will become, after that, we substitute the A inverse and B into the formula above. So it will be this one. X is X and Y equals to our A inverse, multiply it with our B, which is 11 and negative 2. So the final answer will be 17 over 11 and 14 over 11. After that, we need to write down the x and y, which is thus x equal to 17 over 11 and y equal to 14 over 11. Moving to the next question, 4x plus 3y equals to 20 and 4x minus 2y equals to negative 10. First thing first, we need to convert it to the matrix form, which is A multiplied with S equals to B. Our A will be our value of X and Y, which is 4, 3, 5, -2, multiple with S, which is our S will be X and Y equals to B, which is our 20 and -10. So this is the matrix form. Then the next step, we need to find the determinant of A, which is D, -B, -C, and A. So it will be 4 multiple with -2 minus with 3 multiple with 5. So our determinant A will be -23. After that, we substitute the value into the inverse formula, which is A inverse equal to, how do I get this? This is from, and our determinant A is -23. And then solve it, the value A inverse, which is, so it will be xy equals to multiply A with a B, which is 20 and -10. So the final answer will be 10 over 23 and 140 over 23 plus x equal to 10 over 23 and y equals to over 23. Matrix inverse on matrix 3 by 3. First of all, I have the question. So you have to convert this equation into matrix. To find the value, you have to make it x equals to A -1 B. So first of all, you have to find the determinant. So determinant of A. This, you copy the original 3 by 3 form of the matrix. And then on the other side, you just add the copy of the first two column, which is 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6. So up to down, plus up to down, plus up to down, and then you minus with the downwards to upwards, which is this one. So 1, 4, -5, and then you plus with the second one, 1, -3, and 3, and then you plus again with the next one, 2, 2, 6, and then you have to minus with the from down to up, which is 3, 4, 2, and then you minus with 6, -3, 1, and -5 to 1. The determinant, which is -1. After you find determinant, you have to find the minor, or minor A 4 times -5 minus 6. For minor A, in order to find minor, you just have to look at, for example, we want to find the minor A. You just look at A, and then you cancel all this, and you look at this. So 4 times 5 will minus 6 times 3. So 4 times 5, 6, 3. Okay. And then you do the same thing for everything until I. You calculate all this thing. we got -2, -1, 0, -17, -11. All right. So and the minor, you just um rearrange the minor based on the alphabet A to I. So that's how you get A minor. And then the third one, we're gonna do cofactor. Okay, cofactor is based on the minor. You just imagine there's a diamond shape for this 3 by 3 matrix, and you just times with negative for each that is on the side of the diamond. So the cofactor will be, and then the fourth one, we're gonna do adjoints. So adjoint is basically adjoint, you just transpose the cofactor, which is -2, 17, 11, 1, -11, 7, and 0, -3, 2. And lastly, you put into the formula, which is 1 over determinant times with the adjoint. So you just times and you will get the inverse of A, which is right. You have to substitute the inverse, times it with the what we did just now, which is this formula. X equals to A -1 B, which is you take the inverse that you got just now and you times it with the value of B that you got. So this is B, and you just times it here. 18 minus 17 plus 0, -9 plus 11 plus 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0. In this, you will get, so the value of x will be 1, y will be 2, and z will be 3. Thank you.
Today, we are going to solve the systems of linear equations by using matrix inverse, especially the 3 by 3 matrix. First of all, our equation is 1, 0, -2, 4, -2, 1, 1, 2, and -10. The variables are x, y, and z equals to 2, 1, and -1. First of all, we need to find the determinant. Determinant for 3 by 3 is as follows. Now, we are going to time matrix in this way. And upwards. So our answer would be 2 minus. So our final answer for determinant of A would be -2. Furthermore, we are going to find the minor. Now, the minor, we actually need to find one by one. So for elements in A, B, C up until I. For A minor is equals to -2 times -10 minus 2 and 1. So that is equals to 18. Last one is equals to 1 times -2 minus 0 times 4, which is equals to -2. Now the matrix A minor is equals to, so the next step is the cofactor. Actually, add a negative to these elements. So our cofactor for A will equal to, now after having the cofactor, we are going to find the adjoint. Now, so the adjoint for A, now the way we get our inverse is actually with 1 over the determinant times with the adjoint of A. So 1 over -2 times with, so our A minor
will result. Now, to get our final answer, which is use the equation of x equals to A inverse times by B. So what we're going to do is with the matrix of B, which is now our final answer would be, therefore, we can equate this to our variables, which is x, y, and z. So our final answer is x equals to, my bad, this is negative 18. So x is equals to negative 18, y is equals to negative 83 over 2, and our z is equals to negative 10. That's all for me. Thank you.